If he is called on a stage and he is given a topic, women, my mother is a woman, my sister is also a woman, we should work for the women. Finish. कहाँ ही पढ़ा हुआ आदमी? कौन नरेंद्र मोदी? गवर्नमेंट स्कूल में पढ़ा हुआ एक्सटेम्पोर We may be having ideological differences within, that is another thing. But no one can negate his achievement in life. Prime Minister of a country like India. आप उस आदमी को गाली तो दे ही नहीं सकते, अगर आप चपरासी हैं तो बिल्कुल नहीं दे सकते. We may have ideological differences with him, that is another point. वो एक अलग चीज है. और his achievement, Prime Minister, सुनता ही नहीं वो आदमी किसी की. लालू जी से बार्गेनिंग चल रही है, 3 साल को 30 करा दूं या बाहर आओगे. पहली बार ऐसा हुआ है, फर्स्ट टाइम कि लालू जी नॉट अटरिंग अ सिंगल वर्ड. पहली बार जेल गए थे, बड़े खुश थे. He gave the statement कि Lord Krishna was born in jail. शांत है, कुछ नहीं बोल रहे हैं. मायावती pin drop fight. Arvind Kejriwal is fighting against dengue and malaria. किसी की हिम्मत नहीं पड़ रही साहब उस आदमी के खिलाफ. वो ओनली स्पोक्सपर्सन आर स्पीकिंग. स्पोक्सपर्सन ऑफ कांग्रेस, समाजवादी नेता कुछ नहीं बोल रहे हैं. Everyone pin drop silence. Tamil Nadu is completely under the control. राजा इज आउट. सबको बोला ट्यू जी नहीं भैया, जाओ घर जाओ. Achievement. This is a very big example of existence of formality. और तो जिसके सर पे हाथ रखते, पढ़ने वढ़ने से कुछ नहीं होगा. कुछ लोग बड़े बड़े घरों में पैदा होते, राजा फैमिली में पैदा होते. अब अकबर पैदा हुआ, illiterate, he never went to school, but he was surrounded by very good people. Birbal, and he listens to Birbal. Jahangir Shah, same dynasty, Mughal dynasty. Jahangir Shah, who's the advisor of Jahangir Shah? Zulfikar Khan is the Wazir, kingmaker, advisor. Lal Kuwar. She is a dancer in the court of Jahangir Shah. Dancer. Jahangir में भी एक बार यही घटना घटी. Jahangir says to Akbar, I am in love with a girl. Akbar was very good. Aristocracy has only 2 things to do: administration and love. He said, no, it's a tectonic love. बोला ये कौन सा लव है? He said, no, I will marry that girl. बोले नाम? He said, अनारकली. उन्हें पनघट पे नंदलाल. हाँ, he said, yes. Crown Prince, you are a Crown Prince. Tomorrow you are going to be an emperor. Territories from Kabul to Kanyakumari and Gujarat to Northeast. You will face serious challenges. Doklam, CPEC, South Carolina. And if your wife will be a dancer, and when you will come and share those problems with your wife, she will get up and dance. ये मेरा लहंगा बड़ा है महंगा. अकबर ने कहा नहीं बेटा, ये मत करना. खैर नहीं माना जहांगीर, मारा गया जहांगीर को. Lalakali was given the state status, possibly he was a compassionate man, Akbar told you. And then later on Jahangir was married to Noor Jahan. You open the NCRT of Satish Chandra, you will find a separate heading, Noor Jahan. She was a daughter of an Iranian noble, master in warfare and administration. And when Jahangir was imprisoned by his own noble in Kashmir for 100 days, who was the noble? Mahabat Khan. She takes the military expedition, Noor Jahan, and she brings back Jahangir from Kashmir. And then Jahangir writes in his memoirs, my father was right. Law of temperature. heat is kept around class 9 by heat. इसमें law of temperature पढ़ा होगा आपने. Temperature moves from high to low. अभी तो कम ठंडक है बाहर, नहीं तो दिसंबर जनवरी में दिल्ली में लोग मरते बहुत हैं. तो जैसे टेम्परेचर गिरता है 4, 3, 2, तो कुछ लोग टी शर्ट पहन के टहलते हैं. गर्मी में कंबल ओढ़ लेते हैं जून में, और ठंडक में टी शर्ट और क्लास हाई टी शर्ट पहन के. टेम्परेचर वॉज 4, व्हेन यू आर रिटर्निंग टेम्परेचर इज 1. अब इनसाइड टेम्परेचर 25, आउटसाइड 1, और धीरे से निकल गई. Don't be with the people of low temperature. You are preparing for IS. Your friends should prepare for Member of Parliament election 2019. अगर आपके साथ लो टेम्परेचर के लोग हैं ना, you will never know why you are in depression. They will suck away your temperature. You will never know. आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा. Arjun is victorious because he is with a person of a high temperature, Krishna. And he provokes Arjun की मार पीछे से मार. God is the person of low temperature. Tell me. Low temperature is very important. ये Tsar Nicholas II, शिक्षा एडवाइजर, राष्ट्रपति, magician in the court. Throughout the day he used to show magic. Throughout the day. His wife was under the influence of Rashtrapan, Zarina. She used to sit in the court and she used to shout throughout the day. Shout is not a right word. Scream. और दिखाओ. Magic. And this idiot says to Rashtrapan, हर आदमी को हर बात नहीं समझ में आती सर. ये बहुत छोटी छोटी बातें लाइक which you can learn from the subject. Don't be with the flatterers in life. जो लोग आपकी हमेशा तारीफ करते हैं ना, उनके साथ मत रहो. Always revolt. बॉस का विरोध करो. जो भी आपका मालिक उसका विरोध करो. Every time, every issue. उसे कि ये दिवाले व्हाइट करा दे, ब्लैक से वो मार के भगा देगा आपको. फिर तमन्ना पैदा हो जाएगी कि इंस्टीट्यूट कब्जा करना है. तमन्नाएं ऐसे ही तो पैदा होती है ना, और थोड़ी पैदा होती है. अरे यार दूसरी बिल्डिंग में ये हमारे माँ बाप हमें मारते हैं, डांटते हैं, हमें बुरा लगता है, पर सब अच्छे के लिए सर. और उसी कभी नहीं डांटता, काम लेना होता है. Everyone who has to exploit you will always praise you. Everyone who has to exploit you will always praise. Because appraisal is a basic weakness of human beings. जहाँ तारीफ हुई अपनी चौड़ा है. And those who oppose you, criticize, वो आपके असली फ्रेंड हैं. ये he says to Tsar Nicholas II, sir, whenever Europe was in trouble, it's our tradition, we have interfered in the trouble. So we have to participate in the war for the mustaches of Russia. हमें मूछ बचानी है सर. हमें फूट चली जाएगी तेरी मूछ के चक्कर में, और चली गई. He participates in the war. He faces the debacle 1916. In March 1917, the Tsarship comes to an end. And then Menshevik came into power, I told you. Mensheviks failed to handle, and then Lenin comes out with Bolshevik proposal. Right. Mensheviks because of their policy of appeasement towards capitalist and working class, because of their policy of appeasement towards capitalist and working class, failed to handle the situation. Failed to handle the situation. Tension increased in Russia after March Revolution. And in this scenario, Lenin came out with Bolshevik proposal. Bolshevik. The important provisions of the proposal were Bolshevik proposal. Inbox Bolshevik proposal. The important provisions of the proposal were: first provision, immediate end of war. Immediate end of war. Second proposal, management and regulation of industries will be in the hand of working class. Management and what? Regulations of industries will be in the hand of production and distribution in the nation. Production and distribution in the nation will be in the hand of state. State. Fourth. Who will be the state? Soviet. Soviet will be the state. But now under the guidance of Comintern. Who will be the state? Soviet. But now under the guidance of Comintern, Communist International. Communist. What are the two most important requirements for the success of a revolt or revolution?